In today's video, I'm going to show you why your product may not be appearing on Shopify and how to fix it quickly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Products from the left-hand menu. Find and open the product that's not showing on your store. Next, click the three dots menu and select Manage Sales Channels. Make sure the online store sales channel is checked. If it's not selected, your product won't appear on your website. After enabling the online store channel, click Done and then save your changes. If the product still isn't showing, check that the product status is set to active. Verify that inventory is available and ensure the product isn't hidden from your store's collections. Finally, visit your storefront and refresh the page to confirm the product is now visible. That's it. Your product should now be showing on your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.